Your morning water routine is quietly killing your circulation, draining your energy, and destroying your performance. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why millions of men are unknowingly doing permanent damage to their blood flow every single morning. I've had hundreds of men walk into my office completely exhausted, their performance declining, and they have no idea that the simple act of drinking plain water on an empty stomach is diluting the minerals that keep their heart pumping and their blood vessels functioning. They're taking supplements, exercising, trying everything, but nobody's looking at the one thing they do every morning that's quietly sabotaging their blood flow and vitality. When you drink plain water, especially in large amounts on an empty stomach, you're diluting critical minerals in your blood like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. These minerals are the keys to your circulation. Without them, your heart can't pump efficiently, your blood vessels can't maintain proper tension, and your blood loses its ability to carry oxygen effectively. This is why you feel tired, foggy, weak performance, and recover slower from everything. Your body isn't broken, it's starving for the right kind of hydration. Let me give you the exact formula I've used with patients to transform their energy in less than 2 weeks. Take a glass of warm water, about 8 ounces, and add a small pinch of sea salt or Himalayan pink salt for the electrolytes your heart needs. Squeeze in half a fresh lemon because vitamin C helps your blood vessels stay flexible and supports nitric oxide production, which dilates your blood vessels and improves blood flow. Add 1 teaspoon of raw honey so the natural glucose helps your cells absorb those electrolytes more effectively. If you're over 40, add a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper or ginger to enhance microcirculation. Drink this on an empty stomach every morning. Your blood vessels naturally widen, your red blood cells become more flexible, oxygen transport increases dramatically, and your cardiovascular system works without strain. I had a patient named Anderson who was 56, exercising regularly, doing everything right, but absolutely exhausted all the time. Within 2 weeks of changing just his hydration routine, he had consistent energy, mental clarity he hadn't felt in years. His blood pressure stabilized and his skin looked healthier. This wasn't from pills or expensive supplements, just proper hydration. Here's why this works. Plain water moves through your system fast. But when you combine water with trace minerals and natural vasodilators, your body retains water more effectively. Your blood carries more oxygen, and your circulatory system doesn't work as hard. Your nitric oxide production goes up naturally, which is essential for your heart, muscles, prostate health, kidney function, and performance in every area of life. Let me destroy some myths keeping you stuck. The more water you drink, the healthier you are. That's false. Too much plain water without minerals causes hyponatremia, where sodium levels drop so low you feel weak, confused, and circulation gets worse. Salt is bad for blood flow. Wrong. Processed table salt is terrible, but natural mineral salts are essential for healthy vascular function. Nitric oxide boosters are pharmaceutical drugs. Not even close. Your body produces nitric oxide naturally. It just needs the right nutrients and hydration. Starting tomorrow morning, drink this circulation-supporting mix first thing when you wake up. Throughout the day, sip water slowly instead of chugging it. Add natural nitric oxide boosters like watermelon, beetroot, or dark leafy greens to your diet. Cut back on excessive coffee, alcohol, and salty late-night snacks that dehydrate you. Your hydration habits reflect how much you value your health. Feeling tired doesn't mean your body is giving up, it means your body is begging for better support. When you choose structured hydration, you're choosing sustained energy, sharper focus, better circulation, improved performance, and long-term health. Try this routine for 7 days and see what happens. Come back and drop a comment telling me how you feel. If this video helped you, smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'm Dr. Michael Hayes, and I'll see you in the next one.